guys! So this is going to be a very quick video. I just want to announce that I have my first Skillshare class now out on Skillshare. So if you want to go and check that out, the link is down in the description below. The link will take you to my class, and you'll also be able to sign up for 2 free months of Skillshare premium membership. So if you've never tried Skillshare before, now is the time to try it out. In my class, I will teach you how you can make your very own set of digital animated stickers, which you can use on Instagram stories or even create an iPhone app out of. I had a lot of fun making this, and I'm really excited about this project, so I hope you go and check it out, as I have been working on it for the last month or so, and I'm really happy with it. I hope you've all had a great Christmas, and I hope you have a very happy new year as well. If you haven't seen already, I have created a playlist on my channel where I've shared my top videos for 2019. So if you want to go back and see what I've created this year, go in and check that out. And if you're new here, sorry this video hasn't really been that exciting, but trust me, if you want to see more of my content, you can definitely see that in my playlist. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy my class, and I'll see you in the new year. Bye!